BJP has won from the Thrissur constituency in Kerala in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. This is the first time BJP is winning a seat from Kerala for the Lok Sabha. Thrissur, Thiruvananthapuram and Attingal were among the constituencies which BJP had very high hopes. Actor turned politician Suresh Gopi had contested from Thrissur constituency and became the first MP for BJP to Lok Sabha from Kerala. Suresh Gopi has been concentrating in Thrissur constituency from 2019. He was BJP's candidate for the 2019 Lok Sabha elections and also in the previous assembly elections. In these two times he had managed to come only third, but this time he has managed to get a stunning victory, and not just a small margin but more than about 70,000 votes. The CPI candidate V.S. Sunil Kumar, who is from Thrissur itself, who has been a former minister, he has come second, and K. Muralidharan of the Congress, Karunakaran's son and who was the Vadagara MP, he was brought into Thrissur constituency after Padmaja Venugopal had joined BJP, and he had only come third. This was a sitting seat of the UDF. In 2019, the Congress-led UDF had won this seat. So from there, Suresh Gopi has wrested this seat now from the UDF. UDF had come third and LDF has come second. In none of the other constituencies of Kerala, the BJP has been able to make a victory, but in Thiruvananthapuram, it was a tough fight where the margin of victory for Shashi Tharoor is only about 15,000 votes. And even in Attingal constituency, V. Muralidharan of the BJP had put up a great performance in Attingal constituency. The BJP has been able to open its account in Kerala for the Lok Sabha.